feel like studying is difficult, you're not alone. Many students want good grades, but they just can't bring themselves to read. But here's the truth. Most students don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they don't know how to study properly. The first reason students don't read is because they have no clear goal. They open their book and say, I want to study maths, but maths is a big subject. The brain gets confused. Instead, say, today, I will solve 10 algebra questions. When your goal is clear, studying becomes easier. The second reason is weak foundation. If a student does not understand the basics, every new topic becomes difficult. For example, if you don't understand fractions, algebra will feel impossible. That is why you must always fix your foundation first. The third reason students don't read is distractions. Phones, social media, and games destroy focus. Some students check their phones every 2 minutes while studying. Your brain cannot learn like that. When studying, put your phone away and focus. Another reason is that studying feels like too much work. When students see many pages, they feel overwhelmed, so they avoid the book completely. To solve this problem, start with small study sessions. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This makes studying easier for your brain. Practice instead of just reading. For subjects like maths, you must practice, not just read. Always study with a pen, a notebook, and questions to solve. Practice is what builds understanding. The secret to success is consistency. You don't need to study 6 hours in one day. Even 1 hour every day is powerful if you stay consistent. Remember this, you are not bad at studying. You just need the right strategy. If this video helped you, comment, I will improve, below. And if you want more tips to improve your maths and exam performance, subscribe and keep learning.